So let me do this really quick. Come take a look at this. Yeah, it's snowing. And not just a little, a lot. Oh my gosh. Look at, this is our work from yesterday. Totally covered. Totally covered. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to get these bags in before they get wet. My good lumber. Good lumber is, oh man. Everything out here is, well, it's not wet yet. It's still below freezing, so it's not getting soaked in, but I'm gonna have to get a snow shovel. I'll have to go buy one. So anyway, we're gonna run into town, get a snow shovel, and hopefully this clears up by noon. Hey guys, man, it is just covered. Probably 6 to 8 inches here. I've got 4-wheel drive, and it's not too wet and slick yet. The snow is still dry, but I hope this stops pretty soon, because we're gonna get stuck if we don't watch out. So anyway, need a little momentum to get up this. There we go. Yeah, I'll make it out of here. I just don't know if I'll make it back in. Up here we got a little hill. I've been stuck on this hill before, but I think we're gonna be okay. You can't really gun it because you got to make this curve at the same time. Whoa. Yeah, yep, come on. Yeah, we got it, we got it. And here is the main road. This is Highway 89. So, got somebody coming that way. I got enough time though. All right. So, kind of think I'm gonna leave my 4-wheel drive on, but I don't want to drive too fast. We'll see how everybody else is doing. Yeah, we'll probably leave it on the 4-wheel drive on. It's on 4-wheel drive high. We got some semis here taking their time, which is a good thing. Whoa! All right, I'm gonna have to have two wheels. Sorry, 2 hands on the wheel. This is a little bit slippery here on this asphalt. All right, guys, here is the moment of truth. We're in 4-wheel drive, and there's a little dog next to me. Where'd this dog come from? Puppy! Where did you come from? Hey, puppy! What are you doing? Where's your parents? Where's your parents? Where's your parents? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? Come here. Yes, yes. Where's your parents? Your tag's all turned into a snowball. There you go. Okay, hang on a second. I'm gonna have to pause this, you guys. This dog is lost, and he's got his phone number right here. Hang on, buddy. Hang on. Calling these people's the owner of this dog. Doesn't seem like anybody's answering. All right, let's try another number. Hey, we just found a dog. All right, now we're gonna try and climb this mountain in the snow. Got 4-wheel drive locked in. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, this is not good. I got like zero traction right now. My only hope is to stay in these ruts and not go flying off into the trees. Oh my gosh. Not good, not good. Even the dog's panting kind of hard there. Yeah, you hang in there, buddy. Jade, you hang in there. Whoa. I'm seriously counting on these ruts to hold me on the road right now. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. We gotta take this little corner and then get up this hill. We get up this next hill, we've made it. We've made it 100%. But there we go. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Whoa. I don't know, guys. I don't know, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're sideways. Oh, come on, Bubba. Let's go. Let's go. Oh man, I hope these people don't call for their dog today, because that is gonna suck trying to get back up in here. All right, I think I'm just gonna park down here, nice and flat. Oh man, that wasn't easy. All right guys, update on the dog, Jade. Finally got a hold of the owner. Happens to be an old lady that lives about 3 miles that way. And she snowed in over there, so she can't come get the dog, which is unfortunate. I don't expect her to come up here, but she's across the highway and up a very steep dirt hill. Well, that's covered in snow now. So my brother is here with his truck. He's got some heavy duty tires on it. So we're gonna try and return Jade and drive her up the hill. I don't know if we'll make it. The lady said that if we can't make it up the hill, to just shoo the dog, shoo Jade up the hill, and she'll usually go home. But the lady said she's a quarter mile off the freeway, so we'll see what happens. All right guys, we are back from running all the errands. Running out and grabbing a snow shovel took about 3 or 4 hours today. It just other things started coming up, and that's kind of what you deal with. Anyway, got the snow shovel. Gonna start using that, but first I need to uncover all the tools I left out yesterday, including my tool bag, which, see if I can lift the snow out of here as much as possible. Man, I really didn't expect that snow last night. I knew there was a chance, but the chance, they said, was later on in the afternoon today. So anyway, this is horrible. This is the new snow shovel, 13 bucks at the dollar store, and we're gonna get busy and uncover everything, and then we can get back to work and we'll be able to use the deck. Hey guys, it's next morning, sun's coming up. We did get a little dusting last night. Nothing Nothing too big. I'm sure we'll be able to, yeah, we'll be able to just sweep this off. The unfortunate news is today the high is going to be 30. Right now it's like 18 degrees. It's not too bad if you're bundled up. There's going to be gust of wind up to 23 miles an hour, so that's the part that's not pleasant. When you have low temperatures and then big gusts of winds like that, it's pretty chilling. It's pretty biting. It's like it's like the cold weather has a bite to it. I've got 3 posts I need to cut. I'll put those in, and then we're going to do one more step, and that should complete this stairway. So that's it. We're going to try to work through this cold weather and see if we can get something done today.
Would you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So come, my darling, let me help you. We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else.
All right, the snow is gone. Everything's drying out. Time to dig out these holes. They've already been drilled down with the auger. So all we're gonna do is dig out some of the loose dirt, make sure they're wide enough, and then we're gonna cut some posts and get those put in.
All the sidewalks and the highways, they will turn into dust as Mother Nature covers over every street we take and lead the way for somebody else to help themselves, leave their troubles on the shelf. So don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise.
All right, guys, we're gonna have to call it for tonight. It is getting really cold right now. Sun's going down, but take a look at this. We're almost there, almost done. Got 3 planks here, 2 more to go. Hopefully I have enough. I think two 9-inch boards are gonna make it. So tomorrow we gotta cut this guy off. We're gonna go flat across. We gotta fill in these holes with quick drying cement, get those going, and then we still have one more last little step that's gonna go right here. Anyway, that's it for tonight. Check that out, the sun. And if you turn around over here, the moon. Hey guys, all in the same shot. All right, cool. All right, we'll see you tomorrow morning. All right, guys, it is the next morning. I already swept off all the frost. It got too cold last night, had to stop right about here. Current temperature today is 26 degrees, which is pretty warm compared to yesterday. Yesterday was a lot colder. I gotta shut off the truck here real quick. Every morning, the battery, just because of the cold weather, the battery starts getting low. It barely cranks over, starts up, let it run for a little bit, recharge that battery, and then it's good to go for the day. Anyway, we're gonna get started on this. Got 2 more boards to go. These are 2x10s. I gotta cut it to make sure it can fit through here. I'm gonna have to cut it so we can slip it in there. I got to put some concrete in these holes right here. That's about it. So we got 2 more boards to go. Then I got to get some sealant on this, some stain sealant, before I leave today. Sounds like a lot of work, but I think I can get it done pretty quick. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, so we're done with the planks on top. Looks pretty good, nice and even. There's another board that's going to go here, and then here is going to be some of this retaining wall brick. I'm going to do probably 2 steps, maybe 1 step. We'll see what it looks like. But as far as the woodwork goes, that's pretty much it, except for that 1 board. We're gonna quickly get some stain on here, protect it from the weather. It's actually a stain and a sealant, and we're gonna call it a day after that. The lipstick is on, Kona Brown, made by Olympic. You can get it at Home Depot, and it turned out great. This is a stain and a sealant, and I think the color turned out great. I like this kind of redwood. Stain and a sealant, so it'll seal your deck and keep it protected from the weather, from water damage and whatnot. So that'll do it for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.